All right, for a special treat, they're actually going to take us over to the museum now. I didn't think I was going to get a chance to see this, but I'm really excited to. Doesn't it look like it's smiling at you? This is the Yutong Park. This is the first bus museum in all of China. So it's the only one, right? It'll be opening soon. So check this out, because if you're ever in the city of Zhengzhou, I think you're gonna wanna come and see this. I don't think this has been opened up to the public. I think we're the first ones in the world to see this museum. Wow. Of course it is the only bus museum in China, but the first one. And man, they've done an amazing first class job. Whoa, look at this. Wow, is this real? Yeah, this is real. Oh my God, look at this. This is the real thing, guys. Wow, it's so small. You had to fit in that thing, huh? I mean, look how small this thing is. But if you notice, today's radar, it looks the same as on the new autonomous buses. Instead of radar, they had lights, lamps. This is the earliest omnibus map in Paris. So it's moving you through time. It starts with walking, of course. And then you get to the omnibus. Now you're in the tram era, the 19th and 20th century. New York. That's that one from San Francisco, right? That's the San Francisco trolley. Of course, this looks like the Hong Kong trolley. They've got a whole area on North American buses. Some of these are really, really cool. You remember seeing these, right? What an incredible design those were. General Motors, General Motors. So here it starts with Mercedes. You got Mercedes buses here. Look at this one. Look at all the glass work in that one. Okay, now it moves you on 1960 to 1987 in China, Beijing, Shanghai. Of course, you can't have the full buses in a museum like this, but the models are very high quality models. I mean, they're quite incredible. Skoda, there's a Dodge T234 here. Look at the spaceship on top of this one. So this is the first one in 1963 that they built. Wow, okay, then you got 1991. I love these scale models. Of course, being a bus, you can't put the full scale models in here, right? I can't say it again, it's a first class museum with a history of public transportation, of buses. I love these old videos of back in the day, these buses. And this looks like the interior of one of the old buses. So I sit here. When I first came to China a few years ago, I remember taking the bus everywhere. And you get on a bus and you tell them where you're going, and depending on how far you go, that's how much you have to pay. And nowadays, of course, you just scan a QR code or you use like a Tong card or something like that. But they still will give you a little ticket like this that tells you, okay, here's your receipt and this is your stop. They still do that. And we all know this posture, right? See, sitting here. Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, I wouldn't want to sit here for a very long time, but... Oh my God, so this is the old gate from the original Yutong factory. Improve economic efficiency, okay? Look at this old bicycle. Yes! I think I had one of these at one point. I love these old photos. They're just fascinating. 1997. Look at the computers they're using in 2002. God, we've come a long way, haven't we? In 2006, 347 people got married, a group wedding. The old Yutong employees? Yeah? And they all got married. It's not very romantic, is it? Wow. Wow. The resolution is incredible. The panoramic screen, 180 degrees with the floor integrated. Amazing. Look at this. Look at that! Wow! I'm getting dizzy standing up here alone all by myself. Wow! So these are all the scale models of all the buses. This is the one, I've seen this one at a lot of airports, as much traveling as I do. This one you see a lot at like universities and scenic spots. They take you up the mountain. Of course the school bus, very right. And then of course the new one, the Xiaoyu. Very, very cool. I loved it, awesome. So this is the new energy product, self-charging. So when the bus pulls in, drop this down. So school buses are a big part of what they build here, right? And of course, safety number one, right? So you got all these different sizes of school buses. Yeah. But it actually breaks down the safety characteristics of the bus itself. So you guys know, I'm all about the RV, and Yutong makes RVs. They've got a couple of different this looks like this is a Yutong chassis. I haven't seen this one before. Wow, okay. I'm already in the woods. Look at that. Grilling up something big. It's a dream of mine to have one of these and travel around China. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a Yutong chassis. This is really nice. Okay. The seat bounces a little bit. Pockets up here. This is an automatic transmission. I don't know the specs. I've never seen this before, but it's a super comfortable. It doesn't feel too big. I mean, this is a giant motorhome, but sitting here doesn't feel big at all. I could comfortably drive this around. Very, very, very nice. Here's the cabin. It's got extenders in the back and to the side. TV comes out, television, a great big comfortable bed. Wow, that's great. This is the fridge. Yeah, refrigerator. This is big enough to eat and work. I think this probably folds into a bed. Plus, there's a bed up here as well. You can use for more storage if you'd like. Take a look at the bathroom. I don't think there'll be a window in the actual, but a nice wet bath with a washing machine. I want this. So the museum goes from history and now we're into the future. And wow, it's like night and day. I mean, you literally go from there to here. By the way, I'm the only one in this museum right now. There's nobody else here. They've opened it up for me to take a look at. This is not open for the public yet. Hopefully it'll be open very, very soon. Some of the future designs that they've got in mind. I saw some of this at R&D. Look at this. Completely modular. Look, you have a skateboard, and then you drop in a module. It could be for anything. It could be for food. It could be for a store. It could be for people. Very innovative. Your Amazon packages will be coming like this soon. Now there's like a laser show.
车子问世以来，便以低碳环保、机能高效、静谧舒适。其次是插电式混合动力客车，可以满足更多复杂路况的使用需求。运输涂装一体化。
Again, all of these screens are interactive and they're both in English and in Chinese, so I'll pick the English one there. I love it. They have like a little living room set up, so you can sit down and relax and watch a movie. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put on my headset. All right. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see where I'm at. I'm on the Bund. This is zhengzhou on the Bund in Shanghai. It's 360 degrees all around me. I can see everything. And all of these buildings are accurate. These are all accurate buildings. I'm a terrible driver, terrible bus driver. Wow, it's another theater. I think this must be the 4th or 5th theater in this museum, and this is a first-class theater. I mean, this is nice. Safety belt first, safety belt first, safety first. What a treat, what a special treat this is. We're not on Earth, we're going into space in this one. Okay. Oh, hey, it's right in the water. Wow. Boy, their interpretation of the future is just, it's sci-fi. It's like the options that they have for this little minibus are endless. It's really snowing in here. Oh, Yutong shop. Exit through the gift shop. All right. Wow. What a first-class museum. If you're ever in the city of Zhengzhou, you gotta come to the Yutong Bus Museum. I know when you first hear about it, it doesn't sound like something you want to do. Trust me, it's something you want to do. This was a great experience.